Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope all of you are good. My name is Jabulin Lobu. I'm from a company called Progress in Motion Innovators. We believe progress is the concept, so we flex. We're from 909 Events, and we're here to tell you about our venues network. What we do is that we find the ideal venue to help activate your brand. Our venues range from casinos, nightlife, shisanyamas, clubs, and lounges. So what we do is that we find the ideal place where we know you're gonna meet the right audience. One thing we've learned is that most brands, which all of you I look at here are brands. I look at you, you're a brand, you're a brand, you're a brand. You need the right venue, come to us, we'll find it. You can follow us at 909 Events on Twitter. You can follow us on Instagram at 909 Events. What we do is that we bridge the gap between corporates, consumers, that being you, and promotional agencies to help bring about affordable prices to help activate your brands. Because one thing we saw is that your clubs, your lounges, your shisanyamas, they cost a lot, you know, and most people can't afford them, and yet they want to activate their brand in such places, so they get awareness, brand awareness. And we did that. We said, okay, we're gonna go around, we're gonna build a relationship with club owners so we can bring about affordable prices to our consumers, that being you guys. And with that being said, I'd like to close my page and say thank you.